PayHOA Beginner tutorial, learn HOA Management Software. So pretty much your beginner-friendly tutorial on using PayHOA. Now this cloud-based HOA management solution which is designed for self-managed communities and property managers. So if you want to go ahead and try using it, the first thing you're going to have to do is make an account. You can do this directly by signing up. And if you already have an account, then of course you can just pretty much log into that account that you already have. But once you do get into PayHOA, you can go ahead and watch an overview video. You can start with a demo like a PayHOA tutorial for beginners, a master HOA management software to shortcut the learning curve. You can get started. As I said, you can go ahead and sign up and explore everything you have for PayHOA and its features. But mainly it's for financial management. There's communication tools like sending mass emails, SMS, and automated phone calls with logs for transparency. It supports message scheduling and owner tracking with a website builder and private message boards that lets communities stay connected and informed. There's some sort of violations and requests and votings where you can digitalize that violation notice with photo uploads and templated follow-ups. You can use ticket forms for maintenance or architectural requests with custom statuses and alerts. So again, you can learn most of these features once you do get into PayHOA. So just open it and search for PayHOA in your preferred browser, and you should be able to find more of its tutorials or demos for each and every feature that PayHOA has. You can see the features it has over here, the financial, communications, management, the products. You can even see solutions and reasons why PayHOA will be great for you. But other than that, for a quick workflow summary, all you have to do is sign up, get started by watching some demos and tutorials to learn more about PayHOA. But hopefully the information of this video though can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.